Now we're on page 6, and this is basically using your Victorian, large Victorian flip flap. So it opens up that way, that way, that way, and that way. And then we've actually cut into the pineapple there. So that's like a little tuck in along there as well. Okay, and we've got photo slots in. Ours is slightly different that we're doing, but very similar. Okay, so page 6, marked it's the right way up. Yep. Okay, so we'll put that there. So this is your first piece that you've cut. Okay, now here I've just fussy cut along the pineapple, but I think I'm going to cut along there as well, so that it's really a good cutting, a good little tuck in. That's why I like this cutter, because you can decide exactly where you want to cut along the lines. Okay, so we'll just go into that. Take a pair of scissors. It's already mounted on black card, so normally I would have cut that before, but that will do. Okay. Okay, so that'll tuck. I'm going to have to cut it all the way around, aren't I, because I've done black card. So cut round, cut round. Okay, so that is your tuck in, like that. Okay, and then you're going to take your base page that you've cut and you're going to place this centrally where you're happy with it. I think I'm going to just work that line out. You can measure it. In the PDF there will be measurements for it. I'll pop that on there. And then I'm going to stick this down, but remember this is a... I'm not going to stick it down because Kay was just thinking, oh, okay, so...
I was thinking, yeah, I was thinking.
Right, so 1, 2, do your end pieces first. So you know what would be easier is if you stuck. This is a flip flap that I've cut into black card. This is the larger one, so I haven't got a cut edge there, so I just continued it across with the fold, so I had it as long as I wanted it. So we'll stick that one, can you see?
Mm-hmm.
That one on there. And we'll put another one on here. Okay, so that one, that one. Down a bit because it's nice and straight. So that one and that one. You can tell we've had lunch, can't you? That one and that one. Then that one, so it's alright, I'm just looking at my page. That's the top one, isn't it? Okay, so then it's that one on there. And then it's, those are raised up a little bit, and then that one on there like that. Okay. So So that one you're going to stick flush as well. Okay, now you can see you've got a little bit of an overlap there. So when you stick this one, you want to make sure you're not going to catch that. So just push it up so that you've got a gap there and you've got the edge just resting on there. Can you see that? Okay?
So it's not quite flush then?
No, it's not flush.
Okay,
These two are.
Yeah. Do you want to turn it over at the back? See the back of it?
Oh yeah, sorry. Like that.
So I'm not quite sure how you can see that. Hold on.
Hold on, have a look like that, because you can see, if I put, hold on, if I do it like this.
It's black on black, which is not helpful.
Yeah. If do it. No, that's not going to help either, is it? So that's like that, and then we have another little bit of like that. How's that?
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, no, that's doing
Yep.
fine. It was just that bit there as well.
Yeah, okay, and then this bit here,
Yeah.
like that. Okay? So that's that there, that's that there, that's the right way up. And then you've got to stick this one on here. So give yourself plenty of
So the sides are flush and the top and bottom aren't.
yeah. That's it. Okay, so that's, but wait for that to stick before you move it. Pop that over. It's because I haven't got double-sided tape on, but it'll be fine. I've got double-sided tape on to stick it down to the...
Yeah. Usually the grab's a bit quicker than that.
Yeah, I have moved it around quite a lot.
It's having a fit then.
Right.
It's not happy bunny.
Okay. Right. So that's that done there, like that. Okay. So now you're going to take your... stick this directly onto our page here. Yes, we can. And it is plain, I've got, isn't it? Plain side. Yes. Okay, make sure that your pineapple is up the right way, and then you can stick that onto there like that. You can rub the pencil marks off afterwards. The measurements will be on the PDF, so now we can actually take these. The reason I've stuck them like that is because I think I did it a different way, but I think this is probably easier. Okay, and don't stick, you can put glue on there, but don't put glue along here because that's going to be a little tuck in. It was really just to showcase what else you can do with the flip flaps. Okay, that one's not straight. Okay, that's there, and that's there. Okay, so now we need to find our trusty piece of card. Where's my measuring stick?
What done with it?
Thrown it on the floor. Yes, I have thrown it on the floor. Okay, so it's 4 inches across. So oh, well, also you've got your pointy bit there, haven't you? So we can use that. So we're going to just stick that in the centre like that. In fact, I'm going to put it behind there. So
There's the mini dumbbells, isn't it?
yeah, this is done, but I've already put a magnet. Just check I put a magnet in there. Yes, I have already put a magnet in there. So it's a double-sided one. There's archi tape and then there's black card.
Okay, do you want to come forward a tad? Oh, great.
The magnet's this end. That's going to line up over the centre point there. I'm just going to stick that there. I think I'll put another bit on as well. Just going to go a little bit nearer to the edge, but obviously not right to the edge because you've got your little border there. So just up again, just up a bit more, just to give it a bit more strength. Okay, so that's there. I had a horrible thing then. I thought, oh, I've stuck it upside down, but no, I haven't.
No, I was watching. I don't
like,
think
oh no! Okay, right, so that's there, and then I'm going to take one of my little Magpop bits. Again, it will be a plain circle. I'm going to take another magnet. Okay, and I'm just going to put some PVA on here. So sticky side up. Magnet on there. Push it in to the centre. Okay. And then I'm going to stick that one.
You know, I think those magnets are quite strong.
They are strong, these magnets, yes. I'll stick that one on there.
You've moved it now.
I've moved it now. I'm going to put some double tape on it, double-sided tape on it as well. They are strong. They're so strong that you can put them on either side of 3mm MDF, can't you?
You can move them around.
Wiggle
quite
them
happily.
around. Do you remember those iron filing games you used to have with the making moustaches on pictures?
Yes. I think you can do it. Can you get those then?
I don't know.
I'm quite sure health and safety will have them by now.
So that's on there. So take the double-sided tape off and pop that on there like that. It's just because I wanted this. That's it. Okay. And then later on we'll put a. Oh, we can do it now. We'll put some more one of these on. Bit of glue. These are all part of the die set. That one goes there.
Would you be putting glossy accents on that as well?
A core. Oh no, not on that one, but this one I will.
Okay.
And then I'm going to put a larger, both sides of this. I'll come up and put one on here, one on that side. And again, you could put a little pink one on. I'm going to let them dry though first and pop another one on here. And I would leave those to dry before I put the other bits on. Okay, so that's your page like that. So now we're going to just work our way up. So I'm going to work from the, I've got them all laid out here. Okay, so the top one is going to have this one on here. And I've got a little photo frame cut out. I've got an arrow pointing there. Why have I got an arrow pointing there? Because it's going like that and like that. That's right, okay. So I'd have to use that side and I don't want to. That's it. Okay, so this is the top one. This one doesn't have a photo slot cut out of it. You could do if you wanted to, but I thought I might just leave that and put a decorative feature on a bit later on when I found it, when I've been through the pages at the end. Okay, so that's that one. This one goes in here. So again, no glue where the little black patches are. No, that's not what I was supposed to do. I should follow my arrows. That's why that's there. And read my instructions. It did actually say top. Okay, right, so that's that one there. Right, so now I've got inside going there. I've got inside going here.
That's the outside.
Yeah, but it's all right. I know what I'm. Yeah, and I've got that one going there. It's yeah. Okay, right. So they all match. When you open that up, you see those two. So ignore that label. So that one is going to be the inside there. So that sticks there. Don't worry, it'll be much clearer on the PDF.
Oh, you think I've got a miracle in my editing? I don't think that's going to happen, is that, man?
Oh, I don't know. Your editing's pretty good, Kay. Okay, so that's one. Take that one out. Okay, so then that one is going there. Oh, I've stuck the wrong one on now, haven't I? Should have been the yeah. Oh no, I haven't. No, that is right. It's that. Do I want to have the same ones there?
I think that was quite nice.
Yeah, it's that way, so we'll swap these over. Oh no, I had them like that. Okay, so it's like that, that's it, and then those two match there. That is right.
I like them the other way around, but that's not my album.
You can do your own like that.
I can do my own like that.
I like them the other way around as well, but I like the way the photo slots have been cut, so... Ugh. And I don't know what I did in the album, actually.
Maybe a mystery, we'll find out in a minute.
Okay, we'll put that one on there. Can you see okay? Sorry, I moved.
Your dead centre.
Take that off there. I'll take that off there. And then this one's going to stick on here. I know why it's right, I'm just laughing because it's wrong.
But
it's fine. It's fine. Don't worry, because it will still all work out. Okay. I remember now. These are supposed to be on the other side. Okay, that one's fine. Okay, so you've got those there. Okay, and then you've got these here. These were supposed to be inside here.
Okay.
But it doesn't matter because we'll just put them
on the outside.
This way round. And these have got our photo slot, straight pierce photo slot, pocket slot dies here, and we have actually got them back in stock, and we have got some larger ones now as well.
And a smaller one.
And a tiny one. Because it really drove me mad, you know, when you have a little tiny 2-inch flap or something and you didn't have a pocket slot die that would fit it.
Well, there will be one soon.
There will. Okay, so that's one there. So that's your little tuck in like that. I'll just burnish that there, and then we'll do exactly the same on this side. Those there, that's those there, that's those there. So you put something on the top there, and then I've also got along here, I've got another decorative band from the sticker sheet. Stick that on there. Move it along a smidge. Paradise is a state of mind. And then also from the sticker sheet we've got Dream. So you can either stick it straight or you can stick it at an angle, whatever you fancy really.
It looked quite effective because you put glossy accents on that, didn't you?
Yes, I did, and I put it along the bottom as well. And then we'll put another little, we'll put a little on the top there. It would be better if those were on the inside so you'd got the flamingos showing, but it's one of those things. But as I say, play with it, because before you cut them, just have a look at your papers. You've got the layouts and the measurements, so you can work out exactly how you want to do it. Okay? And then you can stick something on there, or you could have it as a photo slot. So that was page 6.